Hello everybody, how's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to fix error code 268 Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is go to your searching bar in your Windows, okay? And you need to searching for Roblox player, okay? And after that you click with your right button and clicking open file location. After you open the file, you see the properties of the Roblox, okay? So just tap here. After clicking properties, you go to compatibility, okay? And here you need to go to compatibility mode and clicking run this program in compatibility mode 4. You mark that box and select Windows 7, okay? After that, you see in the lower side to run this program as an administrator, so just select that box here too. And after that, just clicking apply, OK, and clicking OK. And probably your bug was fixed. But with the bug continue, what you're gonna do is very simple. Just unstay on the Roblox and install again, and probably the bug was fixed, okay? So I hope I can help you to fix error code 268 Roblox. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!